Yo, peace, man. What's going on, my brother?
Living, bro. Taking one day at a time. You know what it is.
All right, well, introduce yourself to the viewing audience, man.
My name is Warren George Crudup III. Most people call me Trae. I was born in Alabama.
What
Dothan,
part?
Alabama.
Wait, hold on. What part?
I was born in Dothan, Alabama, like right above Tallahassee. What's up, babe? Right above Tallahassee, Florida. I grew up in Maryland, DC, DMV.
Okay, but
I play drums.
But you know we're here in Harlem right now, though.
We in Harlem for sure.
Yeah,
I moved to New York about 2 years ago, and I moved to Harlem in July. Last July, yeah.
Well, first of all, peace, brother, because today is your birthday.
Man, give thanks.
Big shout out to the brother Wes in DC.
Yo,
he's
Wes
got a dope.
Felton.
Yeah.
That's my man.
Yeah.
And when I first hit the scene in DC, Wes Felton was doing his thing at Bar Nut on U Street. I am fortunate to know Wes, and I'm very grateful that he made this connect.
No doubt. Now, you're going to be our featured drummer, man, in this Lost Negroes of North America premiere screening in New York City at Symphony Space, man. We talked about the vibe a little bit, but what do you think it's going to be like, man, to play to the spirit, no direction, and how you might interpret that through your spirit of drum?
I'm going to just go off the energy and the vibe of the space in the film and giving reverence and respect to the ancestors that came before me that are in the film, you know, so I'm just gonna go wherever spirit leads, and I'm grateful.
That's what's up, brother. We look forward to seeing you on Sunday, December 14th, but right now you're playing at the Red Rooster right here in Harlem, all right? Any shout outs for anything you got coming up though?
Yeah, actually I do have a residency coming up at New Blue Classic on Avenue C every Wednesday starting January 14th until February 4th. Every Wednesday I'll be bringing my band. We're just going to be improvising, just going off the vibe. Every Wednesday at New Blue Classic starting at 7 o'clock, and it's orchestrated by Arts for Arts.
Okay, and last thing, how can people connect with you on social media?
You can find me at Trae Drummer on Instagram. That's TRAE Drummer _. And if you're on Facebook, you can find me at Warren Crudup, WAREN. Last name is CRUDUP. Holla at your boy.
All right, man. Let's go check you out over here at the Red Rooster, brother.
Yeah.
All right.
Makes a difference. Send it to all of them.